Hello and welcome back to another ROG-SMP video. This volcano has been here a long time and it is still not finished. It's been here probably at least 2 weeks and just the front side is done. And today we're going to change that. But before we do that, Halloween is over, therefore these decorations are no longer relevant and they need to go. So let's do a quick time lapse of getting rid of these outdated decorations. Let's go! This was a very cool thing on the ROG-SMP. The decorations everywhere, it really livened up the place and it looked really nice. So I'm kind of sad to see it go. But to remember these awesome decorations, we're going to put a jack-o'-lantern with a few candles and a ghost. Alright, so now that the decorations are done, it's time to finish the volcano. Alright, this back is done with the cobblestone. Oh boy, now it's time to add in these gradient type things. Hi, it's me. Bad things have happened. My Minecraft just suddenly crashed somehow in recording this video, and all of my replay mod files have vanished. So there will be no time lapses, but it's still a super cool build. Keep watching to see the finishing end of it. And with these last few blocks, the volcano is finally done. Let me fly out. Oh wow. The back looks so good. Wow. I love this. This looks so cool. Alright. So David has come in and he has put a border around the volcano and it looks amazing. So you can see the volcano and here is the beach. It looks so good. There's David right now putting in, I guess, some like towels, but look at this. And then if we turn on shaders, just look at this place with this turtle. So awesome. This volcano looks so incredibly good. Like, I did not imagine it to turn out this well. And the beach around it just adds to the awesome look of this volcano. sadly, this will be the end of the episode. If you enjoyed this video, please like and subscribe, and hopefully I'll be able to make some even more builds like this. So yeah, thank you a ton for watching, and I'll see you in the next episode. See ya.